Welcome to the Swell Advertising System. We are going to talk about the Opportunities tab here on the left-hand side of the menu bar. We will click the Opportunities tab and we are in the Sandbox Windows Facebook ad pipeline. Now this was created earlier. Up here you can see Opportunities and Pipelines. First, the Opportunities. These sections, these opportunities, are where new leads or contacts can flow from one end to the other, from a lead all the way through to a final conversion, a sale, money in the bank, right? So these have all been created customized. You can create your own opportunity, or you can go to Pipelines and create a new pipeline. This pipeline, Sandbox Windows Facebook ad pipeline, is one we created. You can create a new test pipeline. Each stage you can label or customize as you saw before. So stage one, let's say it is a lead. Add a stage. Let's say it has been contacted by somebody in our company. The next stage, booked appointment. Let's say the stage failed, meaning they are not interested, or we could even say not interested. Final stage, let's say it is a sale, and toggle visible funnel and chart, visible pie chart. These are definitely actions you can delete. You can see the pie chart, you see the funnel chart here. We're going to save our test pipeline. Here it appears in our pipelines. So you can create multiple pipelines for your sales groups. Let's go to the Opportunities tab. This drop down, we are going to find our test pipeline that we just created. We have a lead, we have the contacted, lead, booked appointment, not interested, and sale. As you can see, we created all of these stages in our test pipeline. So when a new lead comes in, let's add a new. The pipeline is the test pipeline, starting at the first stage, the lead. It's open, meaning it has not been lost, won, or abandoned. It is a brand new lead. The opportunity value is $500 for these new windows. We can assign it to someone in our company and create this new opportunity contact. We can see Steve-O is now a new lead. We can set up automations, which we will get to in another video. Look for the automation down here, this automation video. But right now, our sales team, our secretaries, or whoever is working this Steve-O lead can now drag Steve-O after they've been contacted. They can drag Steve-O after they've booked the appointment. And we're moving Steve-O down the funnel. Steve-O has become a sale. Now, if Steve-O has become a sale, I can go to the Launchpad, the dashboard. Oh, here we go. Test pipeline. I got to select the correct pipeline. Pipeline, test pipeline, the stage 000 has turned into a sale. That's how we set up opportunities and pipelines within the Swell ad system. Thank you for joining us, and thank you for using the Swell advertising system.